My head is so big. But anyways, I am going to vlog today because I don't have much to do. Obviously, we're in quarantine, but I do have to go to the store, which I'm doing now. I won't vlog in the store because that's stupid. But I need to go to the store. I need to go to 2 stores. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do. I have a little to-do list, so I'll just show you guys some of the stuff that I'm doing. I might cook something. So yeah, I just want to vlog because I don't have anything else to do. So stay tuned to a day in the life of quarantine. So here is what my to-do list typically look like. I try to read every day 30 pages, and then I have things like I'm working on my blog, so just doing posts and editing posts, working out, stretching, stuff like calls I need to make. I need to call the vet tomorrow for my dog, and I usually make a lengthy to-do list, so this line is where that to-do list ended. And I try to do everything in a day, but I give myself enough tasks that might roll over to 2 or 3 days, probably 2 days. I try to do 2 days max. So I want to do things like fix my Instagram highlight covers and promote YouTube videos on my Instagram, and I'm doing an e-business course, so last night I did the module, so that's on there. So I just try to keep up with things, and then I have little things over here. I want to watch some Photoshop videos, and I want to read articles that are like fashion related or beauty related, things that I write about, just because I want to develop my tone and voice in writing. So I feel like reading other people's stuff is giving me an idea of how to be more engaging. Obviously, these people are well into their careers and they are seasoned writers, so I feel like I can learn from just how they use words, how they craft sentences, stuff like that. And yeah, so I do these lists all the time. Like, this is a list from a few weeks ago. I just try to make sure I do this because I feel like it keeps me out of a slump, I guess. This is the book that I am reading right now. It's called Essentialism. I want to finish it within the next few days, and I am pretty close to doing that, so I'm super excited to talk about this book. I'm going to make a 5 books that you should read in your 20s, and I think this is going to be in there, so you guys will hear about that. And then this is my dump journal. Any thought that I have, anything I'm working on, any goals, stuff about money, everything is in here. Like, if you wanted to know who I am, I feel like you could look at this and be like, okay, she's into entrepreneurship, she's into money, she's into creating habits that will allow her to live a better life. So right now I am working on my Instagram content. This is the first time I've ever sat down and wrote out content ideas. So my goal is to post twice a day every day in May. So I wouldn't say it's a big thing to shoot towards. I think it's definitely tangible, and I'm actually going to start today. So today is the 26th. I'm going to start today, and I just want to continue that. I really want to grow my Instagram following. I feel like the best way to do that is to be consistent. So I just wrote out content that I'm going to post, and I also have 5 weeks worth of YouTube content. I want to post twice a week, sorry, not a day. So I'm super excited. I feel good, and I just feel like writing this stuff out gives me a clear idea and vision, and it also keeps me in check, so I won't be like, oh, what am I posting today? Like, I have a list of stuff I can't post. So super excited just to develop and evolve and grow my social media platforms. So we are gonna be taking pictures today. my nephew is behind the camera, but you can't see him, but you can flip it on yourself. That's my nephew. So you guys will see why I'm taking pictures in next month, so stay tuned. Okay, so my hair looked like this because I couldn't remember if I live in Michigan, obviously. Well, maybe not obviously, I don't know. But there was an executive order that people have to wear masks in the stores, and I don't know if that started today or if that starts on Monday, and today is Saturday, or yeah, today's Saturday. So I'm like, fuck. So I try to put my hoodie on and like tie it. My dumb ass rips it, and I'm like, oh, I have a mask in my car. Then I remember my car got broken into the other day. Well, I wouldn't even really say broken into because I left my car doors open because I'm an idiot, and somebody obviously just got into my car. I don't leave important stuff in my car anymore. Used to. Thank God I changed my ways. I used to leave my laptop in my car. I used to leave all kinds of shit in my car. And I moved to Detroit, and my cousin's like, what are you doing? And I'm like, it didn't even cross my mind that somebody would break into my car. I don't know why, but so they just like rummaged through my papers, ate some chips, took my masks, which I didn't even realize until just now. So I'm about to get a mask for my little brother. Thank you for your services, young man. What's up? Welcome back. I went to Target. I went to Target 2 days in a row, let me tell y'all. I went to Target yesterday, but I got like I got my dog some stuff. I got some food stuff from Target, nail stuff, just like random. And then today I went and I'm like, let me find some shelves. So I found some shelves. I found like a shoe rack, and I also found a shelf that can go above my bed. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got, and I'm also gonna show you guys what I'm doing. And you can judge me in the comments, because when I show y'all my before, you're gonna be like, why is your bed like that? But whatever, I don't care. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Target, and then I will show you my progress of changing my whole bed area and my other area. So stay tuned. So I got this shelving unit. It is by Threshold. There are two shelves, sorry, in here, and they're just white. And then I got these fake flowers that I'm gonna put on there. So cute. And then also got a frame. I have to find my pictures, but I'm gonna put a picture of my boyfriend and I in there. And then I also got these, because I tried to hang my picture. I'll insert a picture from Instagram, but when I hung that up there, it fell. And I realized I needed something to have hooks on there. So that's everything that I will be using. My windows are open, by the way. That's why y'all can hear our dog back there cutting up. And that's surprisingly not my dog. But anyway, so this is for my little bed area that I'm about to fix up. Don't judge me. My bed is not made. So I'm gonna put that up there. You can see the sticker from when I was trying to do it. I'm gonna clean that area. It's about to be a whole nother situation. This is the picture I'm gonna put in the frame. This is from, we weren't in a relationship yet, but this is the first time we traveled together. We went to Chicago for his 25th birthday. We went to a Bulls game. He loves Dwayne Wade and he was retiring, so I got us tickets to that game. So I'm gonna put that in this frame. So we are about to go get him a bath, take him a bath, whatever. At Chow Hound, he hates being in a car. Please stop sniffing everything, sir. But say I need to be clean because I stink. We are in this thing, so it's about to get down with this little dude. That you got a treat. It is my last day of this vlog because I feel like this might be the last day we're doing anything interesting. Wendy didn't work yesterday or today, which is nice. We don't get to hang out that much, but we're gonna be parents today. We're gonna babysit.
We're being an aunt and uncle, not parents. Let's clarify that.
Parents, basically.
Aunt and uncle.
We're being parents for today.
Aunt and uncle.
We gotta do everything a parent would do for their kid today.
We're doing everything we're supposed to do for
Shut up. Anyways, we're babysitting today. That's his new jacket that he's obsessed with, by the way. Jet life. But we're about to go get his nephew, and then it's Paris' birthday. That's his cousin. So we're gonna do like a little drive-by hunking situation. And I think that's pretty much it for our day. So